So people here enjoying the sun of this hot sun. Sunny, it's of the sunny. Today is sunny and the temperature is 20 degrees, and this is starting of this is now spring season. So we are enjoying now. Even there is a coronavirus. A family only, a group of family here. And this is my place. So enjoy watching. There is a river here. That is a river. By summer or spring, I will be back here to see or find vegetable. Is here where there is a woodworm. It is woodworm. It can be eaten, and also it can be eaten. This one is also eaten. Then this. Where did you go? And have here also a tampopo here, and this is also a tampopo. Tampopo is edible. There's a beautiful small flower here, and here's my hand. This is a beautiful. Oh, come! You see, there's a beautiful small flower here that I love. That. Go. Where did you go? Where you go? Ah, no, don't kick that. Don't quit. Come here. Oh, do not go there. Go. Dame, oh, no. And there's also a red flowers that I love to watch this every spring. See? Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. I will stop now because it's cool. Come here, come baby, come. Come back to my. Hi. Oh, are you tired? Come here, baby. And there's a little white flower, yellow flower also here. So I have. Thank you, guys.